cooler.
And I hope you married.
The cooler right there.
Oh,
I want some Popeyes. This ain't even right. Y'all saved the oatmeal cookies for us. Got the Popeyes in the trash, huh?
We're waiting on y'all to bring us some. They usually feed us when we come out. Hey, yeah, we got to get Jason on that. Hey, we got to get Jason on that. I was like, you know we like to eat. Yeah, they said, oh, I thought you said they had some pizza in there or something.
honey, I had it already.
So this guy said he was going to go eat some pizza. I don't know if he was going in there or going somewhere else.
Yeah, they was watching TV.
Oh, you videotape them? What are you doing? Scratch your ball. Just relaxing. No, you from the hood. You ain't in no bed in them that early. You just your just getting started. From the hood, from what?
Like when we pull up right beside